In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an audio track in DaVinci Resolve. If you're editing and realize you need more space for music, sound effects, dialogue, or any other kind of audio, adding a new audio track is very quick and easy. This is one of those small but important editing tasks that helps keep your timeline organized and makes your project much easier to manage as it grows. To begin, go to the audio track section in your timeline. This is the area where all of your current audio layers are displayed. If you already have clips in your project, you'll be able to see those tracks clearly labeled in the lower part of the timeline. This is where DaVinci Resolve keeps everything related to your sound, so it's the right place to make changes when you need an extra track. Once you're in the audio track section, move your cursor over to one of the existing audio tracks and right-click on it. A menu will appear with several options related to that track. This menu gives you quick access to timeline controls, and it's where you can make simple adjustments without needing to dig through other panels or settings. From that right-click menu, look for the option that says Add Track and click it. As soon as you do that, DaVinci Resolve will create a new audio track in your timeline. That's it, the track is now available for you to use right away. This is especially useful when you want to separate different types of audio instead of placing everything on the same track. For example, keeping voice, music, and sound effects on different tracks can make balancing and editing much easier later on. It also helps you stay organized, especially in larger projects where multiple audio elements are being layered together. If you don't immediately notice the new track, just look again in the audio track area of the timeline. It should appear along with your other tracks, ready for any clips you want to place there. And that's all you need to do to add an audio track in DaVinci Resolve. It's a simple action, but it can make a big difference in how clean and flexible your editing workflow feels. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.